Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friends, we tell you to get free 1 TB storage on Google Drive. Free drive storage offer for local guides. If you become a local guide level 4, you can receive free Google Drive storage for 1 year. Now we tell you some steps. Step 1, sign up to join local guide. Step 2, become a local guide level 4+. Your local guide's level depends on the number of points you have earned currently. You can unlock level 4 benefits at 200 points. Now step 3, get free drive storage. Once you reach local guide level 4+, you can visit your local guide profile page to redeem your free drive storage. Now we tell you is easy. And go to maps. Tap at menu button on the left side up. Choose an account or create an account. For example, we choose your contributions. Now I have 542 points, level 5. How can you increase your levels or points? Check the facts. Now it's checking. These are all the correct places. Now these are places for suggestion. Click at one. Now it's asking about phone number. Next place. Now you give it for phone number, website, hours, name, existence, or translations. For example, we give it translation. Click at add button. Now it's asking about translation, English to Urdu, for example. We tell it yes. Now you earned 1 point. Uncover missing info. Click at any add button. Now these are places to complete them with phone number, with hour, or review it. We give review it 5 star, comment, Post. Now also we have earned 1 point. Next place. And now asking about website, phone number and review. Every step give you a point. Go back. Search for a place. Now it's looking a place. Open. Give 5 star. Post. Thanks for sharing. Done. Now you also got 1 point. Go to contribution. Reviews. Photos. And edits. Now how can you get more points? 5. You have 5 steps. Add place, get 1 point. Review a place, get 1 point. And check in a place for suggestion, get 1 point. And complete a missing on the place, get 1 point. Click add missing place. Now for example, complete your forms. Example, place name, address, location, category, add phone number, hours, website and photos, and then click add button, and your place will be in the review when the Google local guide will publish it on the Google map. You will get 5 points on the local guide. It's first your step, and second step your is check the facts on this button. Uncover missing info on this icon. Search a place and review it 1 to 5 star. Get points. Last is to get suggestion for places to review. For example, we have earned 500 points and we have reached on level 5. And now go to your email address. Google local guide has sent a message telling you have earned level 4 status and benefits. As a level 4 local guide, you can redeem your Google Drive storage, become a featured local guide. Now it's telling to activate drive storage. Click on this button. I cannot click because I had completed my storage. Now I show you storage on Google Drive. Now it's Google Drive. Click. Now it's upload storage 115 GB used of 126 MB. Once again I tell you how can you increase your points, levels and badging. Levels are determined by the number of points you have earned. Receive 1 point for every place you review, photograph, add, edit or provide additional information for Google Maps. Earn up to 5 points per place. Unlock benefits along the way. 0 to 4 points get and complete your first level. And get 5 to 49 points, complete your second level. Get 50 to 199 points, complete your third level. 200 to 499 points, complete your level 4. And 500 plus points, complete your level 5. Now tell, please note your points and levels can take up to 24 hours to update in the Google Maps. For mobile app, points do not expire, though they may decrease if a review is removed for violating our policies. Contribute to Google Maps on a consistent basis to earn the most local guide benefits. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching.